Imagine waking up to a sky you no longer recognize, a sun that is swollen overnight, twice its size, burning brighter, heavier, and impossibly close. Humanity has no warning, only seconds before the world changes forever. If the sun suddenly doubled in size, the first thing we'd feel is light, blinding, white, and violent. The sun's surface area would expand instantly, releasing a surge of radiation that tears through our atmosphere. Shadows disappear, temperatures spike, cities heat faster than metal on a stove. Within minutes, the oceans begin to evaporate from the surface, not boiling, ripping away as superheated vapor. Clouds expand into towering storms of steam, glowing faintly under the amplified sunlight. Plants die first, their cells rupture from the sudden heat. Then animals collapse as oxygen levels dip, and atmospheric pressure shifts. The air thickens with moisture, turning the sky a hazy, distorted white. But something even more dangerous begins beneath our feet. As the sun grows, its gravitational pull strengthens. Earth's orbit destabilizes. We inch closer, slowly at first, then faster, dragged toward a star now too powerful to escape. Days become shorter. Tidal forces stretch the planet, triggering massive earthquakes and supervolcano eruptions. The crust fractures. Lava floods continental edges. The world transforms into a furnace. Within hours, the oceans shrink into scattered basins of steam. Coastlines vanish. The atmosphere begins to thin as solar wind strips it away layer by layer. And then, a final tipping point. Earth crosses an invisible boundary, too close for survival. The planet enters a runaway greenhouse effect more violent than Venus. Temperatures rise past 500 degrees Celsius. Metal softens, concrete melts. Everything humans ever built disappears under a glowing, shifting horizon. Eventually, Earth becomes a scorched, airless sphere, its surface permanently reshaped by fire. A silent world circling an oversized star it cannot escape. If the sun ever doubled in size, life would not have minutes, hours, or days. It would have seconds of warning and a front row seat to the end of the only home we've ever known. So the real question is this: if our survival depends entirely on a stable sun, how fragile is our place in the universe, really?